Feeling adrift in life's currents? Know this, you are never truly alone. My dear children, I see the quiet moments when loneliness creeps in, when the path ahead seems unclear, and you feel a chilling sense of being lost or directionless. Perhaps the world feels too vast, too noisy, or too uncaring. You might look around and wonder if anyone truly sees you, truly understands the weight you carry. This feeling of isolation can be a heavy burden, pressing down on your spirit. But I tell you a truth that transcends all feelings, a truth that is eternal. You are never, ever alone. Even when my presence feels unseen, even when my voice seems distant, I am always with you. Just as a shepherd never abandons his sheep, even the ones who wander furthest, I will never abandon you. My love for you is constant, unwavering, and always reaching out. Your heavenly Father is always present, holding you in his loving gaze. He knows every tear you cry, every struggle you face, and every silent longing of your heart. His guidance is always there, like a gentle lamp leading your steps, even through the darkest valleys. Sometimes you may not perceive it, but if you quiet your spirit and listen, you will find my peace speaking to your soul, showing you the way forward. You are also a beloved part of a divine family. You are not an orphan in this world. You are connected to countless brothers and sisters, those who walk this earth beside you and those who have gone before. There is a community of faith, a family built on love, ready to embrace you, to pray with you, and to remind you of your belonging. So, when the shadows of loneliness stretch long, or when you feel unsure of which way to turn, remember this truth. Remember that you are cherished, you are seen, and you are surrounded by an eternal love. You are part of something vast and beautiful, a family united by spirit. Never doubt that you have a place, a purpose, and a guide who will never leave your side. Reach out. I am always near, always ready to guide you home.